Today, the MOJ convened a consultative meeting to get the views of different stakeholders on two bills. A bill called the Special Accountability Mechanism Bill and a bill called the Special Prosecutor's Office Bill.
These bills are critical components of our roadmap towards justice and accountability. They provide the legal framework needed to operationalize our accountability mechanism.
What we're doing is providing support to the Gambia Bar Association and with the Ministry of Justice to support the drafting of a Special Prosecutor's Office bill and make advancements towards eventual hybrid court or part of the special accountability mechanism as we can.
So it's really a big milestone in terms of ensuring that Gambians see justice after all that happened from '94 to 2017.
Bena amna solo because ñu ngi jokkalante ak ñun waaye ba léegi ñun ñu ngi gis ne affaire yi dafa xala yi because ñu ngi am victims yoo xam ne dañ soxla ndimbal te dañ bugg a xam fan la process bi tollu fi mu nekk nii because du victims yëpp ñoo dee involved in this process.
This workshop is an opportunity for us to learn from your expertise, to refine our approach, and to ensure that the legal framework we are developing is robust and just.
I would say that it has been quite consultative and participatory, and the ministry has been given the opportunity to lead the process since the beginning of the whole idea of setting up an SPO office and a special mechanism. The ministry has taken the lead and it has been respected in its views, and the views were considered and included in the draft. So far so good. The process has been quite participatory and inclusive.